The most obvious benefit that the new FE series presses offer to not only the pharmaceutical industries, but other industries that we have increasingly interacted with, such as nutraceutical and confectionery, is the fact that the presses are capable of producing a very high number of tablets relative to the floor space requirements that they necessitate. So that ratio of floor space to potential output is really unlike anything offered by any tablet press manufacturer today. And the most notable feature on the FE series machines that is directly tied to that ratio is what we refer to as a segmented turret. Conventional turrets on essentially any tablet press generally make use of upper punches, lower punches, and a removable die in between. And those removable dies are installed at every station on the machine. So as an example, if you have a tablet press that makes use of 75 stations, you have 75 individual dies and at least 75 die lock screws for fixing them in place. The segmented turret makes use of premium tool steel blocks or segments into which the tablet cavity is machined. So as an example, for a 75 station machine, instead of having 75 dies and 75 die lock screws for a total of 150 separate components to have to remove, clean, and reinstall, a segmented turret makes use of only 5 segments and no die lock screws. So the advantages tied to changeover time and the reduction of changeover time and ease of setup are really quite dramatic. And additionally, you can put more stations on a segmented turret in the same space as you ordinarily would be able to do on a turret that makes use of dies. So the other big advantage and unique feature is directly tied to that increased output. Well, I think that the FE series machine, amongst the many features that make it increasingly unique, is tied to the fact that the primary engineering philosophy behind it is one of overall efficiency. And that means efficiency tied to the 3 primary aspects of tablet press use, regardless of whose press we're talking about. Those being changeover, the ability to get in and out of the press as quickly as possible between products, operation itself, the lifeblood of the machine and its utility, and maintenance, which of course is tied to making certain that the machine continues to do what it's purported to do over a period of time. So there are quite a variety of features that are designed into the FE series, simplifying changeover operation and maintenance. So the display of the FE series at the 2016 Interflex show should afford attendees a unique opportunity to get their hands on various models from the series. We will have on display both single and double-sided versions of the machines, affording the viewer the opportunity to see why they're so applicable for multiple formats, such as monolayer tablets, double-layer tablets, as well as giving the opportunity to employ technology for successfully compressing difficult products, direct compression products that may present particular challenges on the compression room floor.